Welcome! In today's video, we'll explore how small businesses can choose the right robotic process automation, or RPA, solution. RPA is transforming the way companies handle repetitive tasks, making operations more efficient, and freeing up valuable time for employees. But with so many options on the market, it's important to follow a clear, step-by-step checklist to ensure you select the best fit for your business needs. Let's start by understanding what RPA is and why it's especially valuable for small businesses looking to optimize their workflows and stay competitive. Robotic process automation, or RPA, refers to software robots that automate repetitive, rule-based tasks. These digital workers can handle data entry, invoice processing, and even customer support tasks, all without human intervention. For small businesses, RPA can mean significant cost savings and improved accuracy. By automating routine processes, employees can focus on more strategic work, driving growth and innovation. Understanding the basics of RPA is the first step in making an informed decision about adopting this technology. Small businesses often operate with limited resources and staff. RPA offers a way to maximize productivity without hiring additional employees. By automating repetitive tasks, small businesses can reduce errors, speed up processes, and ensure consistency in operations. This not only saves time and money, but also allows business owners and employees to focus on customer service and business development. Let's look at how to begin the RPA selection process. The first step in choosing an RPA solution is to identify which business processes are suitable for automation. Look for tasks that are repetitive, rule-based, and time-consuming. Examples might include data entry, payroll processing, or generating regular reports. By mapping out these processes, you'll have a clear idea of where RPA can deliver the most value. This assessment sets the foundation for the rest of your RPA journey. Once you've identified potential processes for automation, it's important to define your objectives. What do you hope to achieve with RPA? Are you aiming to reduce costs, improve accuracy, or speed up operations? Setting clear goals will help you measure the success of your RPA implementation and guide your selection of the right tools and vendors. Make sure your objectives are specific, measurable, and aligned with your overall business strategy. Budget is a crucial factor for small businesses. Before exploring RPA vendors, determine how much you're willing to invest in automation. Consider both upfront costs and ongoing expenses, such as licensing, maintenance, and support. Some RPA solutions offer flexible pricing models, including pay-as-you-go or subscription plans, which can be more manageable for smaller companies. Knowing your budget will help you narrow down your options and avoid overspending. With your objectives and budget in mind, start researching RPA vendors. Look for providers that specialize in solutions for small businesses. Evaluate their reputation, customer reviews, and case studies. Pay attention to the features they offer, such as ease of use, scalability, and integration capabilities. Shortlist a few vendors that align with your requirements and prepare to dive deeper into their offerings. Not all RPA solutions are created equal. Evaluate the features offered by each vendor on your shortlist. Key features to consider include user-friendly interfaces, drag-and-drop automation builders, integration with your existing software, and robust security measures. For small businesses, simplicity and ease of deployment are especially important. Make a checklist of must-have features and use it to compare different solutions side by side. Before making a decision, request demos from your shortlisted vendors. A live demonstration allows you to see the RPA tool in action and assess how well it fits your business needs. Pay attention to how intuitive the interface is, how quickly you can set up automations, and whether the tool integrates smoothly with your current systems. Don't hesitate to ask questions and request a trial period if possible. Integration is key to a successful RPA implementation. Make sure the solution you choose can connect seamlessly with your existing software, such as accounting, CRM, or HR systems. Ask vendors about supported integrations and any additional costs involved. Smooth integration ensures that your automated processes run efficiently and data flows accurately between systems, minimizing manual intervention. As your business grows, your automation needs may change. Choose an RPA solution that can scale with your business. Look for flexible licensing, modular features, and the ability to add more bots or processes as needed. Scalability ensures that your investment in RPA continues to deliver value as your operations expand, without the need for a complete overhaul. Security is a top concern when automating business processes. Ensure that the RPA solution you select offers robust security features, such as data encryption, user access controls, and audit trails. Ask vendors about their compliance with industry standards and regulations. Protecting your business data and maintaining customer trust should always be a priority. Reliable support is essential, especially for small businesses that may not have in-house IT teams. Evaluate the level of customer support offered by each vendor. Look for options like 24/7s, help desks, online resources, and dedicated account managers. Good support ensures that any issues are resolved quickly, minimizing downtime and keeping your operations running smoothly. Training is key to a successful RPA rollout. Check if the vendor provides comprehensive training materials, tutorials, and onboarding sessions. Some vendors offer online courses or certification programs to help your team get up to speed quickly. Well-trained staff can maximize the benefits of RPA and ensure smooth adoption across your organization. A positive user experience is crucial for adoption. Evaluate how intuitive and user-friendly the RPA solution is. Can your team easily create and manage automations without extensive technical knowledge? A simple, well-designed interface reduces the learning curve and encourages more employees to embrace automation. A strong user community and rich online resources can be invaluable. Check if the RPA vendor has an active user forum, knowledge base, and regular webinars. Community support can help you troubleshoot issues, share best practices, and stay updated on new features. Access to a wealth of resources makes your RPA journey smoother and more successful. Before a full-scale rollout, pilot the RPA solution with a small set of processes. This allows you to test its effectiveness, identify any challenges, and gather feedback from users. Use the pilot phase to fine-tune your automations and ensure the solution meets your needs before committing to a wider deployment. After piloting the RPA solution, collect feedback from everyone involved. Ask about ease of use, any technical issues, and the impact on daily work. Honest feedback helps you identify areas for improvement and ensures that the final implementation is as effective as possible. Use this input to make necessary adjustments before scaling up. Once your pilot is complete, measure the results against your original objectives. Track key metrics such as time saved, error reduction, and cost savings. Analyzing these results will help you determine the ROI of your RPA investment and identify further opportunities for automation within your business. If the pilot is successful, plan for a full rollout of the RPA solution. Develop a detailed implementation plan, including timelines, responsibilities, and communication strategies. Make sure all stakeholders are informed and prepared for the changes. A well-organized rollout minimizes disruptions and ensures a smooth transition to automated processes. Before going live, provide comprehensive training to your team. Ensure everyone understands how to use the RPA solution and what changes to expect in their daily workflows. Ongoing training and support will help your staff adapt quickly and maximize the benefits of automation. Now it's time to go live with your RPA solution. Monitor the rollout closely, address any issues promptly, and provide ongoing support to your team. Celebrate this milestone as your business takes a significant step toward greater efficiency and productivity through automation. After implementation, continuously monitor the performance of your RPA solution. Track key performance indicators and watch for any issues or bottlenecks. Regular monitoring helps you maintain high efficiency and quickly address any challenges that arise. Automation is an ongoing journey. Regularly review your automated processes and look for ways to optimize them further. Gather feedback from users, analyze performance data, and make adjustments as needed. Continuous improvement ensures that your RPA investment keeps delivering value over time. As you become more comfortable with RPA, consider expanding automation to additional processes. Start with simple tasks and gradually move to more complex workflows. Expanding automation can further boost productivity and free up even more resources for strategic initiatives. Technology evolves rapidly. Stay updated on the latest RPA trends, features, and best practices. Attend webinars, read industry blogs, and participate in user communities. Keeping up with new developments ensures your business continues to benefit from the latest advancements in automation. Compliance with industry regulations is essential. Make sure your RPA solution supports compliance requirements relevant to your business, such as data privacy laws or financial regulations. Regularly review your processes and documentation to ensure ongoing compliance and avoid potential legal issues. Good documentation is vital for managing your RPA solution. Keep detailed records of automated processes, configurations, and any changes made. Well-maintained documentation helps with troubleshooting, training new staff, and ensuring consistency as your automation program grows. RPA software is regularly updated with new features and security patches. Plan for regular upgrades to keep your system secure and take advantage of the latest improvements. Work with your vendor to schedule updates and test new versions before deploying them across your business. Introducing RPA can bring significant changes to your business. Manage change effectively by communicating clearly with your team, addressing concerns, and providing ongoing support. A positive approach to change management helps ensure a smooth transition and encourages staff to embrace automation. RPA can free up time and resources, allowing your team to focus on innovation. Encourage employees to suggest new automation ideas and experiment with process improvements. Fostering a culture of innovation helps your business stay agile and competitive in a rapidly changing market. Regularly evaluate the return on investment from your RPA solution. Compare the costs of automation with the benefits achieved, such as time savings, error reduction, and increased capacity. Ongoing ROI analysis helps you justify your investment and make informed decisions about future automation projects. Developing internal expertise in RPA can make your automation program more sustainable. Identify team members who can become RPA champions and provide them with advanced training. Building in-house skills reduces reliance on external vendors and empowers your team to drive automation initiatives forward. Collaboration is key to successful automation. Encourage departments to work together when identifying automation opportunities and designing workflows. Cross-functional collaboration ensures that RPA solutions address real business needs and deliver maximum value across your organization. Establish clear governance for your RPA program, define roles, responsibilities, and policies for automation, development, and management. Good governance ensures consistency, reduces risks, and helps you scale automation effectively as your business grows. Risk management is an important aspect of RPA adoption. Identify potential risks, such as process failures or data breaches, and develop mitigation strategies. Regularly review your risk management plan to ensure your automation program remains secure and reliable. Throughout your RPA journey, document lessons learned from each phase. Record what worked well, what challenges you faced, and how you overcame them. Sharing these insights with your team helps improve future automation projects and builds organizational knowledge. Recognize and celebrate the successes achieved through RPA, acknowledge the efforts of your team, and highlight the positive impact of automation on your business. Celebrating milestones boosts morale and motivates everyone to continue exploring new automation opportunities. Continuous feedback is essential for long-term success. Regularly ask your team for input on the RPA solution and its impact on their work. Use this feedback to make improvements, address concerns, and ensure your automation program continues to meet business needs. Business needs and technology are always evolving. Stay flexible and be ready to adapt your RPA program as circumstances change. Regularly review your processes, update your automation strategy, and remain open to new solutions that can further enhance your business. Use analytics to gain deeper insights into your automated processes. Analyze performance data to identify trends, spot inefficiencies, and uncover new automation opportunities. Leveraging analytics helps you make data-driven decisions and maximize the value of your RPA investment. Develop a long-term roadmap for your RPA journey. Outline future automation projects, set milestones, and allocate resources accordingly. A clear roadmap keeps your team focused and ensures that your automation efforts align with your business goals. Networking with other small business owners and RPA users can provide valuable insights, share experiences, learn from others' successes and challenges, and discover new approaches to automation. Building a network helps you stay informed and inspired throughout your RPA journey. Let's quickly review the step-by-step checklist for choosing RPA for small businesses. From identifying processes and defining objectives, to piloting solutions and optimizing performance, each step is designed to guide you toward a successful RPA implementation. Keeping this checklist handy ensures you stay on track and make informed decisions at every stage. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive checklist for selecting the right RPA solution for your small business. By following these steps, you can streamline operations, boost productivity, and stay ahead in today's competitive landscape. Remember, RPA is not just about technology. It's about empowering your team and driving business growth. Start your automation journey today and unlock new possibilities for your business.